There are so many different styles of animated explainer videos, simply because some will suit a certain audience better than others. The two that stand out the most are whiteboard animation and motion graphics animation. But which is better for you? Before we answer that, let's explain what they are. Firstly, whiteboard animation. This type of animation is a great way to creatively explain a specific message or service, but it's not so great expressing characters' emotions. They're limited in terms of dynamic visuals and require a great script and voiceover to provide a unique way of storytelling. When done well, this can set you apart from others. You'll get to see these bespoke drawings being born in front of your very eyes and turned into something incredible. As from traditional drawings, this style evolved and digital effects were added to make them even more appealing. But what about motion graphics? This is the most popular style used for animated explainer videos due to the broad range of audiences they can attract. They allow us to give characters life and to be more visually dynamic in how we make them move. This style is great for creating unique characters with high emotion. However, if you're not character focused, another style may work better for you. This animation style's versatility allows us to make simple changes with ease. Do you want to make this elephant pink? We can change it just as easily. Both styles are capable of making a boring subject come alive. Although both have their perks, the truth is there's no style that is better than the other. It all depends on you and your business, and either way we can create something perfect for you.